Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start now by testing a hidden spot for paint safety. Do that for 10-15 seconds. Once it's fine, remove loose dust with a dry cloth so grit won't scratch. Next, wet the magic eraser and squeeze until just damp, not dripping. You press gently and make one controlled wipe stroke along the affected area, following vertical grain of the wall. This step cleans surface grime without damaging paint, so make sure pressure is moderate and even. You move to tougher marks by working small, focused sections, roughly the size of your palm. Once done with the damp pass, apply slightly more pressure only if the mark resists. You avoid long, repeated scrubs that remove paint. Make short, controlled strokes and rinse the eraser when it darkens to prevent redepositing dirt. If a stubborn spot remains, fold the eraser to a fresh edge and repeat. This preserves abrasive power and keeps results consistent across the wall. You finish by wiping the cleaned area with a damp microfiber cloth to remove residue, then dry it to avoid watermarks. Make sure to inspect for any dulling or paint lift. That tells you used too much pressure. If paint has come off, stop using the eraser and apply touch-up paint or primer as needed. That prevents a bigger patch. Troubleshooting tip: if scuffing appears, test less pressure and more frequent rinsing of the eraser next time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.